Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson we will be testing our Django installation. So we will do this by running the application. So the first thing that we need to do is enable scripts execution in PowerShell. So PowerShell is what is used by Visual Studio Code to run the command line prompts from within our IDE. So if we don't enable scripts execution, then we won't be able to run PowerShell commands from within Visual Studio Code. So let's open up PowerShell as the administrator. Okay, and then let's run the following command to enable the script's execution. Okay, so now we have enabled scripts execution for PowerShell. Okay, and now the next thing that we need to do is we need to open the project source code inside our IDE. So let's open up Visual Studio Code. Okay, and then select the Explorer button, and then select Open Folder, and then we locate our project source code. So here's our project folder, and then click on Open Folder. Okay, so as you can see, our project has been opened in our IDE. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to install the Python extension. So we click on Extensions, and in the search type in Python. Okay, and then click on this extension. It says Python by Microsoft, and then click on Install. So we're just waiting for the extension to complete installing. Okay, so the extension has been installed. So let's close this, and we can close this window as well. And let's go back to Explorer. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is we need to open up our terminal from within Visual Studio. So we click on View and then select Terminal. Okay, so it should automatically activate our virtual environment. If it doesn't, then we can just manually activate our virtual environment. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to run our application server. So to do that, we will use the manage.py file. Okay, so here's the manage.py file in the project directory. So now let's run our server. Python manage.py run server. Okay, so as you can see, our server has started at port 8000 using the localhost IP. So usually I just hover over this IP and then click on follow link, or you can just copy and paste it in the web browser. So the quickest way is just to click on follow link. Okay, so now we should be able to see the Django page that tells us that the installation worked successfully. So now we know that our Django application is running successfully in this URL. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.